Hi, Victoria.
Hi.
How are you today?
I'm doing good. We have
here
2 big boxes for unboxing. Very, very excited.
Oh, rock the boat.
It is. Oh, I guess it's coming up. Happy Chinese New Year.
Oh, nice. Mariana and her familia.
Dragon Kingdom of Renly, the Shattered Shore.
Nice. Cloaked in Courage, uncovering Deborah Sampson, Patriot Soldier.
The British are coming.
Ooh, P.S. We made this. Super fun crafts that grow smarter and happier kids. Fun.
Too early.
Lotus Bloom, the Revolution. Oh, this looks fun.
Hot dog.
Different. The story of the Spanish Civil War.
Oh boy. Toxic, the world's deadliest creatures.
Oh my goodness. Ciao by a thread.
Oh, True History, Indigenous America.
Where Danny goes, happy follows.
Oh, the Little Kids Table.
Aw. Superpower, the wearable tech revolution.
Celebrate with me. Recipes, crafts, and holiday fun from around the world.
Oh, neat. What's up, pup? How our furry friends communicate and what they're saying.
We really need that. Ooh, a land of books. Dreams of young Mexica word waters.
Night lunch.
It's good. This is a heavy one. Okay. The Sea-Ringed World. Sacred Stories of the Americas.
Oh, I heard that was really good. One and everything.
Sometimes when I'm bored. Looks like we have to read to find out.
Meanwhile, back on Earth, finding our place through time and space.
Oh, animals in my yard. Squirrels.
Squirrels. Yeah, someone asked us for more squirrel books. We can get a lot. Curtain up behind the scenes of the Royal Opera House. Oh, the Night Castle.
Lovely. We have Maddie and Mabel.
Of Walden Pond, Henry David Thoreau, Frederick Tudor, and the pond between them. They're cutting ice.
Oh, lovely. That's so cool. Oh, you were right. We have yet another squirrel kits. Baby squirrels.
Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh, the Museum of Odd Body Leftovers. A tour of your useless parts, flaws, and other weird bits.
Oh my goodness. Looking inside. Luminous, living things that light up the night.
Myself, yourself.
The hero of compassion, how Lacachavra got 1,000 arms.
Ballet Kids by Holly Sterling.
I don't care.
Love is a ball.
Treaty words for as long as the rivers flow.
Our friend Hedgehog, a place to call home.
The Hope Raisers, how a group of young Kenyans fought to transform their sun into an inspire community.
All's happy that ends happy.
Rise Up with a Song, the true story of Ethel Smith.
The Midnighters.
this is perfect. Love your amazing self.
Ooh, Splatoon, Volume 7.
Hey! I bet a few folks are waiting for that one. City Under the City.
Ooh, oh yeah, that's a cool book.
Adventure.
Appleton with Christmas.
Oh, Appleton's a pig. Oh, we have an audio. A rover story. Looks like we're going to Mars.
Yeah. Ghost Fight by Kenneth Hopple.
Ooh, weird rules to follow.
Yasmin the Detective.
She holds up the stars.
Where the Lost Ones Go.
Oh, we have Celia Cruz.
Sharks Forever. A mystery and history of the planet's perfect predator. Did you know that some sharks have friends? There are sharks small enough to swim in a soup can?
What?
I didn't know that.
I learned something new today. I'm helping you with your box.
Yes.
Invisible. Oh, graphic novel.
And lastly, but not leastly, new Who Would Wins, or replacement Who Would Wins. Ultimate Reptile Rumble, Ultimate Jungle Rumble, and Walrus versus Elephant Seal.
Oh my
I'm
goodness.
betting on the walrus.
Yeah, I think so.
Thanks, Victoria.
Of course.